A man dies after taking a loaded, concealed gun into it. Why you got to do this to me?
Yeah.
Into an MRI scan. There's just a check for that. You can't bring the metal in. He's like, no. He's like, I gotta stay. Yeah. I gotta stay ready. Yeah. Gotta stay loaded. You never know what's gonna happen. And they're like, are you sure? In the MRI machine, you're probably dead.
There could be a burglar in there.
And he's like, listen, I just don't feel comfortable without it. And they're like, you're going to die. You're going to die. You're going to die in there.
Turn it on.
Well, then that's the way I die. No, for sure you're going to die. Yeah. 100% you're dead. Like, have you ever been in one of these machines?
No.
Okay, so
terrifying, though. I don't want to be in one.
Oh, you have the claustrophobia thing.
It's just the spinning, loud magnets.
Yeah, it's not listen.
It's not worth it.
It's not a private villa in a 737 by any means.
Yeah.
But it's also not as bad as you're making it out to be.
Oh, so freaky.
But if you're claustrophobic, I get it.
Okay, so, yeah, this is why I'm scared. There was a video online, practical MRI, showing the effects of having metal objects near the MRI machine. And it shows like the pull weight, 300 pounds of a wrench. Dude.
Yeah, no, it's nutty, man. Are you kidding me? It's absolutely nutty.
Yeah.
They're very clear. They want to know if you have any metal. This is what I was going to say. Because when you go, they're like, do you have any metal in your body? Like, do you have... Like, they want to know about previous surgery or staple or...
Yeah.
Like, any metal. Uh-huh. That's the degree to which they're concerned about it. And never mind if you have a loaded weapon in there.
Or even just like a coin or something. Wouldn't it, like...
Oh, yeah, coins. Yeah.
Somehow just, like...
Jewelry, coins.
Injure you.
Oh, God, dude. You don't want to... According to reports, the gun advocate's weapon was pulled out of his waistband by the machine before it discharged into his stomach. Yeah, it's pulling the bullet. It's going to be pulling the bullets, the trigger. Like, what is it pulling? Some magneto stuff. It is not clear why he didn't remove it prior to entering the machine. Before his death on February 6th, the lawyer regularly posted pro-gun content on his TikTok channel. People have been fatally sucked into MRI machines before, generally when metal oxygen tanks have been brought in with the patients. Yeah. Listen, dude, this is powerful magnet stuff going on. I can tell you. From experience.
Why were you doing it?
Gotta get checked out, man.
Checked out, okay.
Are you kidding? You gotta get checked out. You don't know what's going on inside there. You don't know what you got going on. You know what type of problems you got going on. You gotta go take a peek every so often.
Yeah, it's brutal.
But some people hate it. Some people are like, I'm not doing it. You know, some people that are claustrophobic, like, nope, no way, I'm not doing it. Like you. Me, you know, the weirdest, I'll tell you the weirdest part is it could be like up to half an hour if you fall asleep.
Okay, what happens?
Well, no, it's just, that's terrifying when you like wake up and you can't move. Do you know what I'm saying? Because it's a bit disorienting at the moment. You're like, oh yeah. Because you can't move the whole time either. Yeah. You can't budge or they can't get good images. So you have to stay completely still. So it's kind of like a weird hypnosis you're in.
That was brutal. I'm not doing it.
All right. You might have to.